Hello friends, how are you all? Hope everyone is well. Today, we've got an epic voyage in store, taking you on a journey through the magnificent country of Croatia. Brace yourselves as we unveil a top 10 must-visit places in Croatia. If you want to know, then watch the whole video. And subscribe to your favorite channel Rovinj and click the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Our first stop on this enchanting odyssey is none other than the awe-inspiring Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik, a city that's more than just a tourist destination, it's an immersive experience. Its historical significance, breathtaking architecture, and vibrant atmosphere make it a place you'll never forget. Whether you're exploring the ancient walls, indulging in local cuisine, or simply soaking in the Adriatic vibes, Dubrovnik is a must-visit location that's sure to leave an indelible mark on your travel memories. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're as enchanted by Dubrovnik as we are, and stay tuned for more epic travel adventures. Prepare to be spellbound as we journey south to the Plitvice Lakes National Park. Plitvice Lakes National Park is a testament to the incredible beauty and diversity of nature. It's a place where time seems to stand still, and you can't help but be humbled by the sheer magnificence of the natural world. If you haven't had the chance to visit yet, it's time to add it to your bucket list. And if you've been lucky enough to experience its magic, feel free to share your stories and tips in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you're as entranced by Plitvice as we are, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Next on our checklist is Zagreb. Zagreb, with its rich history, cultural treasures, and dynamic atmosphere, is a destination that's sure to captivate your heart. Whether you're exploring its historic sites, savoring local delicacies, or immersing yourself in its lively festivals, Zagreb has a lot to offer. Feel free to share your Zagreb stories and tips in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enchanted by this Croatian capital. Now, let's explore the mystical sea organ in Zadar. The sea organ in Zadar is a true testament to human creativity and our profound connection with the natural world. It's a must-visit for anyone traveling to Croatia, and it's a place where you can not only witness the music of the sea but also find a moment of peace and reflection. Have you experienced the sea organ's enchanting melodies? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. For a taste of the high life, we're making our way to Hvar Island. Hvar Island's pristine beaches are a testament to the beauty of the Adriatic coast. Whether you're in search of a tranquil escape, thrilling water sports, or a vibrant nightlife scene, Hvar has something for everyone. Have you had the pleasure of lounging on Hvar's pristine shores? Share your experiences and recommendations in the comments below. If you're yearning for a slice of paradise, consider Hvar Island for your next vacation. It's a destination where the sun, sea, and culture unite to create unforgettable memories. Back on the mainland, don't forget to make a return visit to the breathtaking Plitvice Lakes National Park. Plitvice Lakes National Park is a place where the wonders of nature are on full display. It's a destination where you can witness the beauty of the natural world in all its glory. Whether you're exploring its waterfalls, traversing the wooden pathways, or simply soaking in the breathtaking vistas, Plitvice Lakes is a true gem. If you haven't yet had the privilege of visiting, it's time to add Plitvice Lakes to your travel bucket list. And if you've already experienced its magic, feel free to share your stories and tips in the comments below. Our next destination is the charming coastal town of Rovinj. Rovinj's old town is a place where history, art, and nature come together to create a truly magical atmosphere. Whether you're exploring its cobblestone streets, ascending the bell tower, or simply savoring the local cuisine, Rovinj offers an unforgettable experience. If you haven't had the pleasure of visiting Rovinj yet, it's time to add this coastal gem to your travel plans. And if you've already experienced its charm, share your stories and tips in the comments below. Calling all Game of Thrones enthusiasts. Our next stop is Dubrovnik once more, the very city that served as the backdrop for King's Landing. Walk in the footsteps of your beloved characters and immerse yourself in this majestic setting. Have you had the chance to visit Dubrovnik and immerse yourself in the world of A Game of Thrones? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. If you're as intrigued by this connection as we are, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures. Korčula's medieval streets are more than just picturesque, they are a portal to a world of history, culture, and timeless beauty. Whether you're exploring its historic architecture, learning about Marco Polo, or simply getting lost in the maze of narrow lanes, Korčula offers an unforgettable experience. If you haven't yet had the opportunity to visit this hidden gem, consider adding Korčula to your travel bucket list. Our final destination is Krka National Park. Get ready to be awestruck by its astonishing waterfalls, picturesque walking trails, and the opportunity to take a refreshing swim in pristine pools. It's a haven for adventure seekers. And there you have it, intrepid travelers, the 10 best places to visit in Croatia. Whether you're an aficionado of history, a nature enthusiast, or just someone seeking respite along the idyllic Adriatic coast, Croatia has something for everyone. Have you had the privilege of visiting any of these remarkable destinations? Or perhaps you're already planning your upcoming Croatian escapade? Share your thoughts, experiences, and travel plans in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop with our globetrotting escapades. Until we meet again, continue exploring, keep uncovering hidden treasures, and never stop chasing your wanderlust. See you in our next video.